Okay, well, here's another division strategy. It's still 2-digit divided by 1 digit, but this time we have to use non-standard partitioning to break up the product before we divide. The number we're going to do, the number sentence is the problem we're going to do is 92 divided by 4. The first thing we do, just like before, is we work out the multiples of the divisor. So we have the multiples of 4 are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. Oh, there was an 8 there. 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. Okay. And I needed to write the multiples down because I'm going to have to break my product into parts that can be divided by 4 easily. So I've got 92 divided by 4 is I don't know. So I'm actually trying to find out what 4 times what makes 92, aren't I? Okay. So I'm going to take that out. Okay, the next step is to do our estimate. So I'm dividing by 4. So what's a friendly number that's close to 92 that can be divided by 4? Okay, when I'm having a look down at my multiples down here, I'm thinking, that's a bit tricky there because I know 80, so 4 8 10s are 80. Okay, so it could be like 80 but more than 80. So, or I could go, or 120. That's a bit tricky, isn't it? So my estimate, it's going to be greater than 80 divided by 4. It's going to be greater than 80 divided by 4, or it's going to be less than 120 divided by 4, using my extended facts. Okay, so if I did 120 divided by 4, that would be 4 3s are 12, so that would be 30. And if I did 80 divided by 4, it would be 4 2s are 8, 20. So my estimate is it's going to be between 30 and 20, or 20 and 30. That's where I think my answer is going to be. Okay, after I've done my estimate, I'm going to solve it. I'm going to use, again, the area model to solve it. So this whole part here is worth 92, but I need to break 92 up into parts that can be divided by 4. All right, so having a look at the numbers that I have over on the side, my multiples of 4, I know I could break it into 80 plus something is 92. So if I started with 80 and I have 12 more, that would make 92, wouldn't it? 80 plus 12 is 92. All right, so I'm going to break this part up in, so this part is worth 80. This whole rectangle here is worth 80, that array, and this whole array is worth 12. So if I break that 80, I'm going to divide the whole thing by 4. So there's 4 parts. So 80 divided by 4, or I could go 4 watts make 80, or 4 watts make 8. 4 2s make 8, so 4 20s must make 80. That makes sense? 20, 40, 60, 80. That makes sense? Now I'm having a look over here at this part here, which is worth 12. I'm dividing it by 4. 4 watts are 12. 4 3s are 12, aren't they? So I can go 3, 6, 9, 12. So that's worth 12. So what I really wanted to find out, though, was what one of those parts is. That's what dividing is. Okay, I'm trying to find out what one of those 4 parts is worth. So that's 20 plus 3. So that's 23 is one of those parts. I think my answer is going to be 23. So let's go to the next step, which is checking if our answer is similar to our estimate. Now, my answer so far is 23. Is 23 between 20 and 30? Yes, so I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, now I'm checking. I'm going to use, I'll do the split strategy again. So I'm remembering I've got my mad T. I think it's 92 is going to be 4 times 23. So let's see if 92 is 4 times 23. So, or 23 times 4. Okay, I'm going to break 23 into place value parts to do my split strategy. Oops, what's a 6 doing there? Who knows? Silly me. I'm going to erase that. Okay, so it's 23 times 4 is what I'm really doing. So 20 times 4 plus 3 times 4. I'm going to add those together and see if my total is 92. 2 times 4 is 8, so that's 80. 2 times 4 is 8, which is 8 tens because it's 2 tens times 4. 3 times 4 is 12, and then I'll add those together. 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. It's 92. So my answer here in my check goes with my product in the beginning. So that must mean that 23 is the missing number there. So answer equals 23. All right, so 92 divided by 4 is 23. Yay.